Apple fans, get ready. The iPhone 17 could be the biggest leap forward in smartphones since the iPhone X. But what exactly can we expect? In today's video, we're breaking down the latest leaks, rumors, and features coming to Apple's next flagship device. Design and display. The iPhone 17 is rumored to feature a completely bezel-less design. No notch, no punch hole. Apple may finally introduce under-display Face ID and cameras, giving us a full edge-to-edge display. The screen could also jump to a 2000 nit brightness level, making it one of the brightest on the market, with promotion up to 144 Hz refresh rate. Performance under the hood. The iPhone 17 is expected to run on Apple's A19 Bionic chip, built on a 2nm process. This means better performance, insane power efficiency, and next-level AI capabilities. We're also hearing about up to 16 GB of RAM on the Pro models, a huge leap for multitasking and gaming. Cameras, photography lovers, this is exciting. Apple is rumored to add a 48MP ultra-wide sensor and an upgraded periscope zoom lens with up to 10x optical zoom. We might also see AI-powered video editing tools, allowing you to create pro-level content right from your phone. Battery and charging. Battery life could get a serious upgrade with graphene-based batteries, giving us longer use and faster charging. Wireless charging may finally hit 50 West MagSafe. And yes, there's buzz about Apple introducing a true portless iPhone. Software and AI features. iOS 19 is expected to take things to the next level with AI-driven Siri upgrades, smarter widgets, and Apple's own AI assistant that rivals ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Imagine your iPhone becoming a personal AI companion, helping you with productivity, creativity, and daily life. Price and release date. The iPhone 17 lineup will likely drop in September 2025, with prices starting around $999 for the base model, and the Pro Max possibly reaching $1,599. Expensive? Yes, worth it. That's for you to decide. So, what do you think? Will the iPhone 17 be a true game changer, or just another small step in Apple's evolution? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechSphere for more future tech breakdowns.